Hey guys, the next Coolify service that we're going to be self-hosting is called Glance. Glance is a self-hosted dashboard with a bunch of widgets and super easy to customize. When we self-host it, it will look like this, and we will add another page as well, and I'll show you how to do that so you can see how you can configure your page but also add new pages. So let's dive right into it. In Coolify, add a new project. I'm going to call it Glance. Select the production environment, add a new resource, and then search for Glance. Not Glances, but Glance. Click on that and then select your server. And now I'm just going to shorten the service name, and I will do the same for the domain name. And so now we are done with the configuration for the service itself. There's no environment variables that we need to worry about. So let's go ahead and click deploy. So now the container has started. Let's close this window. And as you can see, it's still, well, it was saying starting a second ago, but now it says healthy. So that means we can now open it up in a new tab and view the application. And there we go, it's loading. And that's it to self-host it. So now let me show you how you edit the dashboard. So you're going to need to have the GitHub page open, because it's on the GitHub page that you will find all the information. So there's a number of widgets, as you can see here. What we're going to do is I'm just going to show you where the configuration happens, and we'll configure one small thing and then add the new page. So you're going to go into storages, and in here you can see there's a content, and this is where you're going to modify the content in here, and you're going to hit save at the bottom. And it's not going to update it immediately. You're going to need to hit restart. So I'll show you that right now. So for example, let's say we don't want to see the S&P 500 right here. Let's say we want Bitcoin at the top, S&P 500 at the bottom, just below it. So let's move it. And let's remove all the other ones. So now I'm going to hit save, and as you can see, as I refresh, nothing's happened. So you're going to want to hit restart, and this will restart the container. And now that that's done, we just need to wait for it to be healthy again. So there we go. Now let's refresh, and there it is. We see our changes. So that's the location of the change, where the changes need to happen, and how to make a change. So now let's just copy this entire content and paste it in a VS Code window. And the reason for being that we're going to add a new page, and it's easier to do that here than to do that in this small confined space with no formatting. So let's go into GitHub. I already have this open. So basically they have some pre-configured pages here, which you can see. And so we're going to add this start page. To do that, I'm just going to go in here, and you can see here there's a little drop down for view config. So I'm going to copy this entire config right here, and I'm going to paste it right there, making sure that the spaces are respected. And then adding another space to every single one of these so that it's correctly lined up. Let's call the new page search or something, just to change it. Copy everything once we're ready. And we're going to paste it in the content, hit save, and then restart. And the containers have started. Just wait a little bit for it to be healthy again. There we go. Hit refresh, And now we have a new page called search. And if we go in there, there's our start page. And as you can see on this page, the top bar is missing. So let's change that. Let's go in here. It says hide desktop navigation. Let's put that false. Copy everything. Paste in the content, hit save, and restart. Containers have restarted. It is healthy again. So let's hit refresh. And now you can see on the search page that the top bar is back. So now we can navigate back to home. And so that's it. Have a look at the themes because you can change the entire look and feel of this as well. So that's going to be it for this video. I will see you in the next one.